So this is for the very first time that I am appearing like this, talking about tech. I usually upload vlogs, and you have never seen me like this. But I'm seeing lately the internet is behind that AI will replace software engineers. AI will replace a lot of things, which is correct. AI eventually will replace a lot of things that we are seeing on the internet right now. The jobs you are seeing, mostly the low effort automated jobs that can be automated, or right now are being automated to some extent. Talking about software engineers, I am a backend engineer working since the last 1.5 years, and I'm in the Java Spring Boot tech stack. So I know what's up in this game. Currently, as of today, 6th May 2026, I'm seeing people around me. I'm seeing the internet. I'm seeing what's happening on the internet, and right now, what I can see is a few patterns that I'm noticing which contradict the fact that AI will replace software engineers. So, the first thing being you need to get your fundamentals sorted. If you don't have your fundamentals sorted at this point, you don't know the basics, you don't know how things work internally, I think you will face a hard time. You won't get replaced by AI, but you will eventually get caught. How will you get caught? Right now, the second part of the story being right now they are serving as a buffet system where AI is being served for cheap money. For $20, you're getting Claude, who's doing the all the work for you. But with time, uh, the AI companies eventually will increase the pricing, and your company also will then start monitoring people who is using AI and how, right? So it can then jump onto a token based system where uh, every employee and their token is getting tracked. How you're spending your tokens on what tasks, everything will be micromanaged. And in those times, if you are using AI just to find out something silly in the code, to fix something silly that you can manually do, that is where you'll get caught. The last thing being the conclusion of this video, I'm keeping it very short. uh, there will come times when you will be working and you will be so smart, you will be so ahead of all the technical leads, and you know your system in and out, where automation will exist. Automation will almost be everywhere, in the front end, in the back end, deployment, everywhere. But it is a system, it is a machine. If automation breaks, if something breaks, then we will need humans who interrupt, who fix, who take calls, who take ownership. You have to be that software engineer who knows your system in and out, who knows where is what is happening where. And yeah, these were my three little points on what you should do in this AI race, because I am seeing a lot of things happening in the world, and right now what I understand is these three things. That first thing being you need to get your fundamentals sorted. Second thing being don't be too much dependent on AI, and last thing being that you should have the confidence to fix anything anytime. If something breaks, if AI cannot fix it, you should fix it. Last piece of advice will be try solving if you are a backend engineer, and this is just a monotonous advice. If you're a backend engineer, if you are working day and night on backend systems, if you trust your logic building skills a little bit less, try solving lead code, try making some backend projects, try coding, raw coding. Your hands-on coding experience is something different. I know a lot of people, including me, don't write code anymore. I write very less code. But yeah, I do. Recently I had to implement an external authorization service to make API calls to another client and validate everything and then return data. So I coded manually after quite some time. It was fun. So these are some of my pieces of advice for people who think AI will replace software engineers. I think, sorry if my vocab was not correct, if I was not that great, because I cannot teach, I cannot talk in that way. This was just something I thought I should talk about, and as per my experience, as per my 1.5 years of experience. So yeah, here is it. Here it is, and I hope this helped you. Peace.